Hi, good morning. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create the monthly parking expense in Odoo 18 step by step along with the reason behind each. So let's get started. So the part 1 of the video is create a expense type. So before we can log an expense in Odoo, we need to create an expense type in Odoo. So to create a new expense type in Odoo, go to the expense app and then click on configuration and then click on expense categories. To create a new expense type, click on new. Here you can simply give the name of the expense as a product name. Let's say you give the name monthly parking and then fill all this detail. You can simply save this expense type from this button and you can review this expense categories here in the list. But we will not create expense type in expense categories because if we create expense type in expense categories, this will not recommend for accounting. So for this, we will create expense type as a product because if we create expense type as a product it will recommend for accounting as well. So to create this we will go to the inventory or you can also go to the sales. So in this video I am going to the inventory to create a new expense as a product. Click on product and then click on products here and then click on new. Give the product name monthly parking and uncheck these boxes unless you need this. Select the product type as service and give the cost here, let's say 75, and leave blank this box. And after this, you can go to the accounting tab and select the expense account. Let's say that is office expense, and leave this blank and also leave this blank. After fill the required information, you can simply save this from this button. And now in this video, we have created the monthly parking in Odoo. This is a one-time setup that allows employee to easily log their parking expense every month without entering the cost again and again. In the next part, we will see how an employee can submit the expense and how the reimbursement process works.